Okay, we did it. We did it. When I say we, I'm sure there were some of you that maybe bought one of my books. I don't know. We hit 100 grand in royalties yesterday, and it looks like we're going to do the 0 to 100K blueprint. I'll put that in the description so you can come. It's going to be live because there's hundreds of people that have signed up. And I need to plan a date for that. I just am going out of the country, and I actually might be going to help with the hurricane cleanup. But let me show you what else I have. The reason why I'm posting this video today is because today is the last day to get the automation class that we're doing. And look at this, I just finished the chatbot for the class. So this is a bonus. This masterclass is only $27 tomorrow only, and then the price goes up. And we're going to have a chatbot to help us build. So all 500 books I've done, 513. I've taken notes. I've recorded like what has done well, and I put it in this bot, this little assistant I named Gemma, so it can help us go faster. So I'm going to show you how to use AI to do journal automation in the masterclass too. So you're getting that. Let me show you what else I have. Inside of here, we're also, so it's the journal automation masterclass. And let me show you what else we're doing. So you're going to get the GPT. It's going to be a live tutorial. We're going to do step-by-step. You're going to bring your questions because I'm going to be able to answer them in real time. So it's better than just a video. I'm going to do, for people that haven't set up an account yet, I'm going to do over-the-shoulder training. I'm going to do over-the-shoulder basic of Canva because that's what for the majority, we're going to be using. And then I'm going to show you how I used to make journals before, because I think it's a foundation. Okay, before I learned about AI, I'm going to give you some templates so you can publish really fast and you have lifetime access. And just until Tuesday, you have private portal. Okay, so I really, really want you guys to come to this so you can get ready for Q4. You can be ready for everything that's happening on the internet for Q4. Okay, if you're new to publishing, you want to get books out for Q4. My biggest month ever was a January, but I think it was my book got into a wish list from Christmas. So that's the only reason I did $11,000 after Christmas. I did $8,000 before. So in 60 days, it was a 20 grand. It was a 20 grand like thing just on Amazon KDP. That doesn't count any other income that I do. So I really want you here. And that's why there's a coupon code just until Friday night at midnight. Okay, so I know this video is time sensitive. I might have a ticket for the replay, but I want you to come live so you can learn. Okay, love you guys. Peace out.